Look, see, I remember when I met you as a sophomore. Started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant.
Hello and welcome to YT. So in this video we are gonna make a devlog. Yes, finally a devlog. And this devlog is gonna be about my game. I'm gonna call it GoDash. I already made a project on GoDash 2 times, but I'm gonna make a new project only for devlogging. So now let's create a new project and let's name it to GoDash. So I don't know how I got this name anyways. I was just bored and I just created a name for that. I'll just name it GoDash with a double H. GoDash with a double H. And now let's just create a folder and create and edit. This will also be a mini tutorial for some people, I think. I don't know. So let's go on the 2D scene. Let's create a 2D scene. Let's rename to world for now. And now I'm gonna add a new folder to keep my script and scenes organized. Script, scenes, and then I'm gonna make one more for assets. Now that we are done, I'm gonna go to the script for scenes. I'm gonna save first. I'll go to the scenes and I'll save it. So now I'm done saving the scene. Now let's create a new kinematic body for my player. I'm gonna click on other node and let's click on kinematic body. Oh wait, this is a 3D. I want a 2D kinematic body. And then let's rename the kinematic body to player for now. And then I will add another collision shape. That's collision polygon. What am I doing? Let's add a collision shape. And let's also add a sprite. And now I have added the sprite. Now let's go add some assets. So for adding the assets, I have to first go to my folders, documents, and then I will go to my aspect projects, and I'll take all of these and I'll copy and I'll paste it in my GoDash here. So now that I'm done with the assets, I'll let them for importing them, and now let's just go to the sprite scene, sprite node, and let's add a sprite. So what color should we keep a sprite? I think blue would be a good color. Okay, so now that we have a 32 by 32 blue sprite, let's add a collision shape, and then we'll add a new color rectangle shape. We'll just do this to 16. Oh wait, 16 to 16. So the collision shapes, it works with this, by the way. Okay, so now that I'm done with the player scene, I'll go ahead and save it in the scenes. And now I will add a script to already. First I'll go to the scripts and I'll save my script. And now I already made a script for these. So let me just make the script now. So after writing the script, I am finally done, and now it should work like a charm. And it does. Oh, it does not work. Oh wait, it does work, sorry. It does not work because I didn't instance the player scene. Oh my god. Now it should work. Oh yes, it definitely works. So now that once we are done with that, and then let's first create a tile map so that we can design the levels. So let's create a tile map and let's add all of our assets to it. Here let's go to tile map, new tile set, and let's click on tile set. Let's click on add, and then we click on assets, and think we got add. Oh wait, control. No, not the blue one. Alright, these three. I'm keeping my game simple, but I'm adding only four colors type of sprites in my game. And now let's add that. New single tile. Here, the single tile. Oh wait, sorry. Okay, that's it. Now that we are done, let's add collision to all of them. Here also let's add collision. And at last let's add collision here. And once we're done with the collision, we can finally start working on the tile map. So first let me go to the cell to change the size to 32 by 32, as this is big for my sprites. And then let's keep the ground, oh wait, I don't have to work these. Anyways, doesn't matter. So let's keep the ground color as the red one because I really like it, and it gives a nice style, or whatever you want to call it. And then let's just make this. And now that we're done with the actual thing, let's try to test it out. Oh, so the sprite doesn't work because it's maybe I just used the wrong sprite. Okay, show collision. Okay, that was the wrong sprite. So now let's use the actual correct sprite. Polish it off, and now let's run the game. Okay, now that we're done. Now we are done with the basic jumping and moving mechanics. I want to add some post processing with using Godot's environment node. Okay, sorry for pronouncing environment wrong. Click on new environment, and using my old tutorial for the glow environment, I'm gonna click on enabled additive by makeup screen. This is these, and let's click on bloom and let's do 0.15. Now as you can see, it doesn't look very good on the gray screen, so let's go to project settings, general, let's go to the environment, let's go and click it on blue one. Sorry, let's make the scene black. Now let's play, and as you can see, the scene looks way better than it looked. And one more thing I wanted to add in this is, well, I wanted to add a squash and stretch because it looks really good in the platformers. And I have already done the script for it, so let me just go to here and let's just make the script for us fast. So now let's make a squash and stretch. For that I already have a script ready, and this is the actual script for it. And so now what this does is, if you play this, as you can see, it makes the squashy and stretch movement, and it makes the physics look a bit more smooth and nice. So now let's go back here, save the scene, and let's go to player and let's add a camera so it looks way better. Camera 2D, let's create a camera, and let's click on current, smoothing, and we'll click on enabled. So now the cam looks way better, and now let's try to run the scene. So as you can see, the camera is done, and so is the squash and stretch and the basic movements. So now let's add a little bit more of things to play with, play around with. So now let's add the orange, green, and just more orange. So just we can experiment whether all the things are working fine or not. And if you jump here, they're working, and I'm stuck. So I'll show you play the project. Let's try again, and now yes, jump works, collision works, everything works. So I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Devlog part 2 might come like day after tomorrow or tomorrow, I don't know. Whenever I'm free, I'll just upload the video. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Bye.